Zippity bippity boppity boo! My name's Matty P and I'm talking to you. Here we're given a quadratic equation and asked to write it in vertex form. And we can do that by completing the square. The way that I like to complete the square is isolating the terms with the x's in them. So I'm going to subtract 37 from both sides of the equation and I'll be left with y minus 37 equals 3x squared plus 24x. The second thing that I find easy is to factor out the term in front of the quadratic. So factoring a 3 out of this expression leaves me with x squared plus 8x. I'm also going to leave a little blank here because ideally what I really want is a perfect square trinomial here that factors into a binomial squared. And that binomial can be obtained by simply writing down the x, because x times x is x squared, and half of this coefficient. Half of 8 is 4. If I took the quantity x plus 4 and squared it, I would get x squared plus 8x plus what? The way that we get that is simply by squaring 4, because when we FOIL the last terms, we get 4 times 4, which is 16. So by inserting a 16 there, I have the perfect square trinomial, x squared plus 8x plus 16, which factors into x plus 4 quantity squared. However, I added something to the right-hand side, so I must add something to the left-hand side to keep the balance. What did I add to the right-hand side? Some people may think it was a 16, but it's a disguised 48. I actually added 48 to the right-hand side, so I need to add 48 to the left-hand side. My new left-hand side is y plus 11. Simplifying, I get y equals 3 times the quantity x plus 4 squared minus 11. The vertex is at -4, -11. Voila!